this video we will discuss Bohr's atomic theory. Let's start the video. In 1913, Neil Bohr proposed a model for an atom. In this video we will discuss the main postulates of Bohr's atomic theory. The main postulates of Bohr atomic theory are: electrons revolve around the nucleus in definite energy levels which are called orbits or shell. Electron revolves around the nucleus in fixed energy levels. These energy levels are known as orbits or shells. The second postulate is, as long as an electron remains in a shell, it never gains or loses energy. Light is absorbed when an electron jumps to a higher energy orbit and emitted when an electron falls into a lower energy orbit. The meaning of this postulate is, an electron do not radiate energy. It means it do not gain or do not lose energy when it is present in a fixed energy level. But when an electron changes its energy level, it can absorb or it can emit energy. Now we will see when electron absorb energy or when an electron emits energy. When an electron jumped from lower energy level to higher energy level, then always it absorbs energy. Light is a form of energy. Electron absorb light energy and jumped from lower to higher energy level. Since after the absorption of energy, electron becomes excited. That's why it jumps from lower to higher energy level. When electron come back to the lower energy level, then it emitted energy, and this energy is emitted in the form of radiations. So electron radiate energy when it jumps from higher energy level to lower energy level. Now we will see the third postulate. The energy of the light emitted is exactly equal to the difference between the energies of the orbit. Energy of the light emitted is exactly equal to the difference between the energies of the orbits. Delta E is equal to E2 minus E1. Delta E is the energy difference between any two orbits, while E2 is the energy of electron in the higher energy level, while E1 is the energy of electron in the lower energy level. So delta E is equal to E2 minus E1. The next postulate is, electron revolves only in those orbits for which the angular momentum of electron is an integral multiple of the factor h upon 2 pi, where h is Planck's constant and the value of h is equal to 6.626 into 10 raised to the power minus 34 joule second. Now we will see the next postulate. Next postulate is, the energy of electron in an orbit is proportional to the distance from the nucleus. The farther the electron is from the nucleus, the more the energy it has. It means higher energy levels. In the higher energy levels, the energy of electron is greater, and in the lower energy levels or orbits, the energy of electron is lesser. I hope these postulates are clear to you. Now we will see the Bohr's model of atoms. Here we can notice this is the Bohr's model of atom. This is the nucleus. This is the first energy level, that is K shell, where n is equal to 1. This is the second energy level where n is equal to 2. This is the third energy level where n is equal to 3, and this is the fourth energy level where n is equal to 4. E1 is the energy of electron in the lower energy level. This is n is equal to 1. and this is n is equal to 2 in the first shell or the first orbit. In this orbit, the energy of electron is lesser, that is E1. This is the second energy level where n is equal to 2. Here the energy of electron is greater, that is E2. When an electron jumped from higher energy level to lower energy level, this is n is equal to 4. This is the fourth orbit or the fourth shell. This is n is equal to 1, the first shell or the first energy level. When electron jump from fourth energy level to first energy level, then always it emits energy. Energy is emitted in the form of radiations when electron jump from higher energy level to lower energy level. Here the value of n is equal to 3. N is equal to 3, it means this is the third energy level or the third orbit. Here the value of n is equal to, here the value of n is equal to 2. Here the value of n is equal to 2. It is the second energy level or the second orbit. Here the value of n is equal to 4. This is the fourth energy level or the fourth orbit. When electron absorb energy, then it becomes excited. After the absorption of energy, electron jumped from lower energy level to higher energy level. Electron jumped from second orbit or shell to fourth orbit or shell after the absorption of energy. So what is the conclusion? Electron after the absorption of energy becomes excited and jumps from lower energy level to higher energy level. When electron jump down or come back to the original energy orbit or energy level, always it emits energy. This energy is emitted in the form of radiations. When an electron remain in a fixed energy level, then it do not radiate energy. I hope Bohr's model of atom is clear to you.